Good morning. Welcome to Dean College. My name is Paul Vaccaro. I'm the Vice President for Enrollment Services, and on behalf of Dean, it is my pleasure to welcome you to campus today in what is a very important and exciting day for us. Now, campus events such as these can take the form of different names. Some schools may call it an open house, others may call it an information session. Here we refer to it as Discover Dean Day, and with good reason. For both as students and as parents, we hope that today provides you with a first-hand opportunity to learn more about Dean and all that we have to offer. To discover Dean, if you will. To discover our beautiful residential campus that surrounds us in the college town of Franklin, Massachusetts, the second safest suburb in all of America. To discover why our students enjoy the best of both worlds in combining the tradition and benefits of a smaller college environment with proximity and access to Gillette Stadium, Patriot Place, and big city life in Boston and Providence. To discover what it means to be real life ready, where our students are being academically, socially, and professionally prepared for life after graduation. To discover the many opportunities there are to get involved and stay involved through clubs, organizations, competitive NCAA athletics, and student performances in dance and theater. To discover our president's vision for Dean and how that vision is driven through the lens of our students. And collectively to discover that Dean College is a place which is big enough to lead, but small enough to care. What do I mean by that? Well, we are an institution that is big enough to offer our students an array of majors that spans from over 4 different schools in the liberal arts, performing arts, dance, and business. We are big enough to be ranked by U.S. News as one of the top colleges in the north region of the country. Big enough for now 8 consecutive years to be named as a college of distinction, which identifies Dean as being among a select set of hidden gem schools that excel at the 4 pillars of a strong and active undergraduate experience. Those being engaging students, providing outstanding teaching, offering vibrant communities, and producing successful outcomes. Big enough for Plexus Global Rankings to name Dean as the #1 school for dance, the #6 school for theater, and the #6 school for sports science in the state of Massachusetts. And to be among the inaugural class of just 11 schools in the nation named by leading colleges for demonstrating unique and exceptional focus on student success. Big enough to be the exclusive academic partner of craft, sports, and entertainment, where Dean was the very first school in the country to form an academic alliance with an NFL franchise in the New England Patriots. Big enough to very recently receive a $600,000 Massachusetts Life Sciences grant from the Commonwealth to further the development and expansion of our science programs. Big enough to well surpass national expectations when it comes to internships. Today, 40% of all college students are reported to pursue internships during their studies. At Dean, 100% of our students complete at least one internship experience by the time they graduate. Big enough to provide our students with global experiences, exposing them to countries that include Italy, Ireland, France, Germany, Spain, England, South Korea, Australia, Argentina, and Brazil. We are big enough this past spring to win the New England Sport Management Case Study Competition, and this year to be among a select number of institutions invited to participate in Boston University's prestigious $50,000 sustainability case competition. Big enough for our men's basketball program to compete live on ESPN last winter against Division I Holy Cross. And big enough to boast a rich and storied history that now spans nearly 160 years, which has seen the iconic Bruce Springsteen perform on campus, NBA legends Bill Russell, Bob Cousy, and John Havlicek play in our gym, and where we have produced the likes of a Pulitzer Prize winner, an Academy Award winner, a Major League Baseball Hall of Famer, the former CEO of Accenture, the founder of CVS, and a past co-owner of the Boston Celtics. Dean is big enough to be at the forefront of all of these initiatives, yet at the same time, we are still able to embrace what it means to be a smaller college in today's world, where the focus and care is on you, the student. One where you will benefit from small class sizes and low student-to-teacher ratios, where faculty serves as mentors to you from day one, and where those relationships are at the very core of your learning experience. Where our network of support services is unparalleled, ranging from programs for students with documented learning disabilities, to students needing social and emotional support, to learning centers for writing, math, and study skills, to academic coaches, tutors, and advisors. And at a time when national surveys will show that 3 out of every 4 high school graduates feel a level of underpreparedness to go to college, the importance of available help, The importance of quality programming and the importance of support opportunities has never been more important in our society and cannot be ignored. And Dean emphatically checks all of these boxes, all designed towards instilling a confidence and a belief in our students to believe in themselves. And where we are not only providing students with access and opportunity to higher education, but are also willing to invest in you through generous financial aid packages to make an undergraduate degree attainable. Indeed, here at Dean, you will discover that you are truly a name, not a number, and where personalized attention, genuine warmth, and a sense of belonging all come together to manifest itself in an entire community that cares about you and is committed to your success.